Is it the right time to make a decision about Google stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It is crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Make smarter trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 14, 2023, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 0.75%. This means it has achieved an average daily return of 0.37% since being labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently moving in a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue this pattern. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 1.15% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from minus 10.54% to 2.74%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 57.5% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 46.17% and 70.67%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere from $196.78 to $229.75 after 12 months. Our latest update on Google's stock price reveals that it ended at $134.62 on Wednesday, with a gain of 0.748%. On the last trading day, Wednesday, November 15, 2023, the Google stock price increased by 0.748%, moving from $133.62 to $134.62. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.09%, starting at a low of $133.57 and reaching a high of $135.02. It's worth noting that the stock has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has witnessed a 6.46% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 23 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $3.12 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Google was $141.22, while the lowest was $84.86. At present, the price is 4.67% or $6.60 below the 52-week high and 94.5% or $2,314.30 below the all-time high on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a grade of Perform with a Hold action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Google a grade of Overweight with a Hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, Macquarie gave Google a grade of Overweight with a Hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, KeyBank gave Google a grade of Overweight with a Hold action. On Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Google a grade of Equal Weight with a Hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. Additionally, they rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a more neutral rating. Today, we will be discussing the performance of Google stock and the signals that have been identified. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Google stock. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal when considering the relation between these two signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. This means that there might be some selling pressure in the market. In case of corrections downwards, we can expect support from the price levels at $132.28 and $132.98. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 10.19%. This indicates a further potential rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it is important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 16 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 167 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Google's stock. When it comes to support, there are 2 key levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $125.61. If the stock breaks this level, it may then fall to the next support at $122.28. It's important to keep in mind that testing a support level carries some inherent risk, as a break below it could lead to further downward movement. In this case, Google has additional support at $125.61 and $122.17. Moving on to risk, it's worth noting that this stock tends to have average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock had a price range of $1.45 between its high and low, representing a 1.09% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.68%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share is $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. In the case of an upward trend, Google's first resistance level stands at $137.40. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The overall consensus rating for Google, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted an insider sell of 45 shares of Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted another insider sell, this time of 50 shares of Class C capital stock. And on November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. conducted yet another insider sell, this time of 105 shares of Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram made an insider buy of 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. However, on the same day, Shriram Kavatark Ram conducted an insider sell of 217,760 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -71.130. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $130.08, which is a decrease of 3.37%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 85, indicating a significantly higher risk level. On a positive note, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook for Google stock. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, November 16, we anticipate that Google stock will open with a decrease of $0.217, starting the day's trading at $134.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial to understand that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts with us. We're also curious to know what target you have set for this stock. Remember, your engagement matters to us, so please like and subscribe to our channel. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.